Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily turn on profile picture zoom on Instagram. Let's begin. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, click on the hamburger menu, three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Your settings will open. Now, hear me out. This feature is not available on all phones, and I'm not sure why. If you don't see it, try updating your Instagram app to the latest version. Next, click on the search bar at the top of the settings and type Privacy. Tap on Account Privacy. Here, you'll see options like Private Account, and for some users, you'll also see an option that says Allow public photos and videos to appear in search engine results. Below that, there may be another option called Profile Picture Expansion or something similar. If you see this option, simply turn on the toggle. Once enabled, Instagram will allow people to zoom in on your profile picture. One important thing to note, this feature only works for public accounts. If your account is set to private, others will not be able to zoom in on your profile picture. So, if you want this feature, first make your account public, then turn on the profile picture expansion option. And that's it. That's how you can easily turn on profile picture zoom on Instagram. Thanks for watching.